Hey y'all, it's 6'4". Today is me showing and giving you guys my very first YouTube video. I am so excited, so very excited about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We got 2 subscribers. Thank you too. So let's get that number up. A little bit about me. I am actually 6'4", yes. Tina is my name. But we will be showing my place and how I decorated it. And I've been here over a year. I was actually supposed to move, but I decided to renew my lease. So maybe at the end of next year. Everything that you're going to see today, don't get comfortable with it. It's gonna be updates, especially since I'm gonna be here for a whole nother year. I look so forward to making these videos and interacting with you guys. This has been me on my very creative side, so I am very happy about it. So on with the video. Enjoy it. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I decided to do my very first YouTube video, and it is about my place. I have been here for over a year now, and I recently renewed the lease for 1 more year. We'll do 1 more year, and then probably do something different. But anyway, let's get into it. So when you first come in, this is the door. I really tried to make sure I got a lot of light for you guys. I am not familiar with none of this, but I said I was gonna do it anyway. So here is the door when you first come in, and then off to the right of the door is the kitchen. Little bar stools. What I really like about these cabinets, which is really funny, is that they're not light brown. I really hate light brown cabinets. But anyway, coming in, you have just the regular appliances, snacks on top, and then you have the little rice and the flour, things like that. This is what we call the pantry, where the brooms are and the trash can. Yeah, see my front room, it looks so nice. The front right there, that is a washroom. My apartment came with a washer and a dryer. So yeah, honey, I lives here, okay? This is not for show. Okay. Closing this. Yeah, that sound, oh my god. So closing this, we have the microwave, and then we have the stove together. More storage space for silverware, things like that. Counter. Then we have the bar stools. It's 2 of them. That was actually my guy best friend's idea, and it was also his idea to break them. Anyway, so coming into the front room, you have this lovely fireplace. TV is mounted on the wall. My favorite part is what we call a window wall, because it's the whole wall, this whole window, and you have more than your fair share amount of beautiful views. If you are asking or inquiring, yes, that is a lake out there. So if we step outside of this little front area right here, alrighty, look at that. Now that's a shot. That is my couch. If you're wondering, your eyes are not deceiving you, that couch is very long. Why is that couch so long? Because I am 6'4". You've seen the title when you clicked on it. That's me. That is not for clickbait. Your girl really 6 feet 4 inches off the ground. So then over here is the sectional. Those 2 tables right there, of course, they interchange. You can pull them out, push them in. That's my computer, iPad, and pictures, but that's just, you know. Here is the dining area, and what we'll do is kind of come back just a little bit. All right, so it is table, 2 chairs. So the taller one is the Bluetooth, the shorter one is the Wi-Fi. So off of the kitchen right here is the bathroom. Going into the bathroom, you have the shower, toilet, the regular stuff. There's a candle lit, my little personal stuff. There is a closet behind there as well. This is the mirror. It goes across the whole wall right here. So yeah, told ya, 6'4". Hiya. So leaving out of there, we come into the bedroom where the magic happens. Now, in case you're wondering, I was told and it was suggested to me to have as much lighting as possible. That's why you see the lights on in the bedroom, the lights on throughout the apartment, things like that. But that's what I was told to do, to have an exceptional amount of lighting. So let's get into it. We have another TV right here, and the inches on these TVs is not familiar with me. And then we have this ceiling to floor picture. There's my vase, and that is the what do you call that? The purpose, but it's like a slight purple color. But I think on the screen it's gonna look a little brown, but it's actually purple. And then coming back, I didn't want to do a traditional dresser type thing, so I just kind of left it at nice little table, like skinny table. I think that's what they call that, with a basket underneath. That basket has like 2 or 3 umbrellas in it. I don't know how I've accumulated so many umbrellas, probably from people just leaving them at my house. But yeah, on this wall you have the closet. That is the closet, actually. Coming back out this way, the 3 pictures and the bed. Those are called L tables. It's 2 of them, 1 on each side. The lamps or touch light. This is the closet. I don't know, if y'all want to see the closet, I can open up the closet. It's no big deal. But you know, people really be like, I don't see the closet. So this is the closet. It's semi neat. I think that's the furthest I'm gonna go in with it, cause I don't really think y'all need to see all that, but cause why would you? But we'll do a whole thing about that. And that's also what I wanted to say. We're gonna do a tremendous amount of upgrades with all of this, because I was supposed to be moving to Texas at the end of my lease, but since I did not, I'm gonna upgrade all of this. And when I say all of it, I mean all of it. So last but not least, if you notice, this is my balcony. When I say my pride and joy, I mean my. Let's go out here really quick, because this is the part that sold me on this apartment. So when you go out here, first of all, just to take in the set. Okay, let me close this. The little flying friends, be real. So it's a 3-person seating. I have more than 3 friends, but just in case only 2 show up. But it has the ottomans out here. And then that window behind there is actually to the bedroom. And then that is actually storage. So, give you an idea of that. I have one of the most beautiful views in my complex. So, just to give you an idea, that is an actual lake. You could probably hear it. At night, it is gorgeous. And in the wintertime, all of these beautiful trees that you see have no leaves on them, so you can see straight across the lake. There is a walkway down through here. My neighbors do yoga, they do running, they walk their dog, things like that. But it is very peaceful. When I say peaceful, the epitome of peacefulness. So, yep, that is how I'm living. Just to come back into the house. Let's close this back up. Okay. Alright. Still closing it up, yeah. I might edit that part, I don't know yet. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. Yes, that is a real wood burning fireplace, and where I live it gets burned yearly, year round, sorry. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my space and seeing my beautiful face. I look forward to making more videos because I have always wanted to get on YouTube and make videos. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys, I have vaulted ceilings, and not because I'm tall either, but because, yeah, that's just how that goes. I don't know why they're showing up little black lines like that, but they're not really in the apartment. It must be the phone thing, I don't know. But other than that, yes. So, thank you for going on this lovely house tour with me. I look forward to seeing you guys in much more videos.